Biden's National Day of Prayer proclamation lacks mention of God. U.S. President Joe Biden issued on Wednesday the annual proclamation of a National Day of Prayer, without mentioning any deity in it. The May 5th statement says that throughout our history, Americans of many religions and belief systems have turned to prayer for strength, hope, and guidance. Prayer has nourished countless souls and powered moral movements, including essential fights against racial injustice, child labor, and infringement on the rights of disabled Americans. This year, the National Day of Prayer is observed May 6th. In the proclamation, Biden wrote that today, we remember and celebrate the role that the healing balm of prayer can play in our lives and in the life of our nation. As we continue to confront the crises and challenges of our time, from a deadly pandemic to the loss of lives and livelihoods in its wake, to a reckoning on racial justice, to the existential threat of climate change, Americans of faith can call upon the power of prayer to provide hope and uplift us for the work ahead. On this National Day of Prayer, his statement continued, we unite with purpose and resolve and recommit ourselves to the core freedoms that helped define and guide our nation from its earliest days. We celebrate our incredible good fortune that, as Americans, we can exercise our convictions freely, no matter our faith or beliefs. Let us find in our prayers, however they are delivered, the determination to overcome adversity, rise above our differences, and come together as one nation too. To meet this moment in history, the National Day of Prayer was designated by Congress in 1952 and scheduled in 1988 to be observed annually on the first Thursday in May. Biden's proclamation, which also invites citizens of our nation to give thanks, in accordance with their own faiths and consciences, for our many freedoms and blessings, and I join all people of faith in prayers for spiritual guidance, mercy, and protection is the first in memory to exclude any reference to the name of God or the concept of a deity, excepting a reference to the year of our Lord 2021.